Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.37 Elevation Wallcase Sections Part 3 of 3. No entries are made on the elevation sheets. Each button on the elevation wallcase sheet represents a component or part that can be added to the cost workup of the fixture. From the elevation sheet, each button switches to the project dimensions sheet. You will be prompted to enter 5 numbers. The sequence of dimensions throughout this app is width, depth, height of section, height accumulated. The first number is always the width, which is the dimension from left to right. The depth is the dimension from front to back. The height of section is the dimension from the component low point to the upper point. The height accumulated is the dimension from the bottom of the fixture to the top of the component or part. The 5th number is the quantity instead of a measurement. Examine the buttons on the elevation wallcase sheet to see what components and parts, that is, features, are available. This example, 1.1.37, is complete. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.38.